Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing another video on my KTM 1290 Super Adventure S, and as you can see from the title, it's how to get rid of your service light. Really simple, really easy. All you got to do is you come up to your, obviously you switch your dash on, let it run through its cycle, and there it is, comes up service. So you go to your controls on the side, you press set to get rid of the service light on the dash, right? Then set again, then scroll down to preferences. Here we go. And then you go back, you press the up and the down, press and hold, and if you look at the dash, press and hold, and there it is. So then all you do is you just pick what you want, right? You come back, you press set, and that will up the month. So as I'm pressing set, if you look, the months are going up. So I've met the monthly rather than the mileage. As you see, I still nearly have 2,500 miles, but obviously you change your mileage, your oil, yearly or mileage dependent. So there you go, I've put it back onto 12 months. I've scrolled up with the up arrow, and then every time I press set, it goes up by 300. You see? So all I do, now I'm actually going to set mine lower because I don't like my oil going on for that long. I'm going to set it at 7,000 miles, 7,200 miles, because that's the closest I can get, because I don't like to leave oil in that long. So it's either going to be 7,200 miles or 12 months. Then just to come out of that, all you do is you come back and you press the back button there, and that's it, done. And that'll be it all sorted. So if we turn it off, then let it set itself, turn it back on, and all gone. So really easy. You set the time, like the months and the mileage, to whatever you want it to be. So obviously I think it's 9,300 miles is what they recommend. I don't recommend that, so that's entirely up to you. So simple as that. Hope you've enjoyed. Chuck it in the comments if you have. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers guys.